Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a glitch edit in Photoshop which looks a little bit like this. So the first thing you need to do is open your picture, and then you can duplicate your layer. It's OK, and you want to make it black and white. So you go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White, and then just click Auto on this and it'll enhance the tone, so press OK. And you want to duplicate that layer again, so you can press Ctrl J on your keyboard or right click, Duplicate Layer. And then on this top layer, we're going to change how it blends to the layer underneath. So you right click it and click Blending Options here. And the colours are split into red, green and blue. Now we're going to uncheck red and press OK. So there's only green and blue selected. Press OK. Now this top layer, when I move it, it shifts the colours. Okay, so I've just moved it to the left a little bit. You can move it up, you can move it down, move it wherever you want, and however much exaggerates where the colours go. I'm just going to move it a little bit. I'm going to move it up a little bit like that, and you can nudge it with the keys on your keyboard if you want. And do that. You still want to see the subject. So after you've done that, you duplicate this top layer again, and this time we add a filter to give it that scratchy effect. So you go to Filter, Distort, and Wave. Now there's loads of options that you can use here. Now if you want it to look more distorted, you'll increase the number of generators like that. Less, add less. You can change all of these and you can just experiment with that. So I'm going to do that. You can experiment with loads of different things. Just try some out. I'm going to set that to square, repeat edge pixels and press OK. So it gives it that sort of glitch effect. Now I need to change the blending mode of this top layer. So to do that again, we click on where it says normal, and then I'm going to flick down with my keys until I find an effect that I like. That looks quite nice. I'm looking to make sure I can still see the subject as best as possible. Flick through them all until you find one that you're happy with. Quite like the colours in that one, but I can't see the subject. So what I'm going to do is either change the opacity, drag that down. Still can't really see it, so I'll move it back up. I'm going to put a layer mask on this top layer. So remember, layer mask is this. I use a brush. When I've got the layer mask selected, press B on your keyboard. This is the brush tool. The brush is set to black. I'm going to make the edge of the brush as soft as possible. And then I'm going to make my subject nice and clear. So it's still got the original effect from the other layers from before. Okay, and then I've just used the more glitchy effect in the background. And there you go.